decide to attend a retreat. It is offered remotely. You attempt to interest your friends in attending as well, and prepare to log in from your home. You make lentils, turn on your vacation autoresponder, light a candle. Words are spoken on or in your screen about the benefits of silence, of stillness. The teacher, seated cross-legged, looks serene and also pretty pixelated. As the words of the teaching stutter and fall out of sync with the image of the mouth that is somewhere speaking them, your thoughts turn to the location from which the teacher is speaking. You imagine how peaceful it must be there, with such a spotty Wi-Fi signal. You are asked to imagine balls of different colors of light occupying various locations within and around your body. You practice moving them up and down, hold one of them between your cupped palms. Your thoughts stray, and you imagine dribbling the ball of light from half court, slam dunking. You receive a